outside? Okay, Toto. Always parking in the wrong place, but no problem. There is always a guider who will guide to park in the right place. But hey guys, look at this one. Our first stop here in the way of Sohra. You have seen the videos? Okay, did you like?
If you like, subscribe.
Thank you very much, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Oh, okay, let's go check it out. Welcome to whatever place it is. Dempap.
Dempap Bali. Ya Bali kan?
Oh, Dempap Pokpak.
Dempap.
Dempap. Oh, nice, beautiful valley, né? Actually, I have been here with my mother, my sister. I show around this beautiful Meghalaya, and it is no doubt about it. I'm gonna show you again. Look that valley. Beauty of Meghalaya. What we have here, we can also eat something. A corn. Kat no along.
Kun trong phi sano. Kun.
Kun kaying na. Haying also. Haying. Sampo is 50 local corn.
Instagram AB family kan?
Yes, AB family. Yes. Hello. Hi. From where? Kolkata. I have never been in Kolkata, but I will visit your place.
Thank you.
I will come to visit. Yes. Yeah, you are a holiday here, holiday. Do you like Meghalaya? Yeah. Okay, Kolkata people like Meghalaya. Yes, peace. Hello. People come, tourists come here. It's a good time in June to come to see the waterfalls, and especially because we have had a lot of rain. Lemon and chilies today is spicy. This is spicy, right?
Huh?
Spicy,
Yes, it's
chili,
spicy.
mo.
Yes, it's spicy.
Ah, very good.
Say hi.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Huh?
Say hi.
Say hello. Say hello.
How are you?
All good. Here we are heading to Zora, and having a corn before reaching there. So, guys, check it out. This new video is gonna come out in this week only. Mo, thank you very much. Mo, bye. Oi, photo. Okay, photo one. From where?
I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata also. Let's try it out. Very tasty. If you could put here fresh butter. Hello.
Can I take a picture with you?
Yes, of course. Come.
AB family, right?
Yes, AB family.
Jana family puna.
From where you are, guys?
From Kanikor, Southwest Casius.
Oh, Kanikor. Ranikor.
Like and subscribe, AB family. We are from Southwest Casius.
Shout out Southwest Khasi Hills. Yeah. It is our second stop. Sisu. Are you hungry? Looks like that, because I am hungry. Gotta eat something. Definitely. Here in Sohra. By the way, welcome to Sohra, Mo. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. You have some food? Have. Okay, good. No. Very nice. Breakfast is done. We're ready to rock and roll in the next place called Seven Sister Falls. Welcome to Nonshi Tang Falls. Yes. Very foggy. We can hear. Actually, gotta say that the water is still not running that nicely. I think after 1 month, 1.5 months, I think so, then you can see big falls there, but not. Obviously it is there, but not that much. This is the best time to visit here. But now, unfortunately, what can you do? You cannot do anything. It's foggy only. Hello, from where?
From Assam.
Guwahati, Assam. Oh, okay, okay. So Guwahati, Assam people are also here. Today I have met also people from Kolkata. Mo. Okay. Okay, Mo. Enjoy, na. Enjoy.
AB family.
Yes, yes. Nice to meet you, Mo. Nice to meet you. Fun. Thank you for all Assamese also. I have seen that there is many people from Assam side who is watching our video. So shout out also for Assamese people there.
This one?
Yeah, that is my
Okay, I
channel.
will subscribe, bro.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Nice pleasure, bro.
Yes. Doing what? They are doing hammers or what? Let's go check it out. Let's go. We can go see what they are doing. Okay. Oi, come noi. Liang. Oh, you break the stone. Ah. Like that. Problema. 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 Oh, you make the road.
Road for making park, not park here.
Ah. Like that. Ah. It's like suki. Nah. Shano. Neklau. Ah. Oh, neklau. Aku main suki. Like the tick tick.
Oh.
Ah, tick. You teach me what I do. So I can cut it from here. Huh? Like that.
Yeah.
Here, like all.
This one.
Nah, like that. This one out. Nah.
This one out.
Okay, let me try.
Slowly more.
Suki, nah. From here, nah. More harder or what? Or suki.
You come line by line fast.
Oh, first this. So this how you do. This how these guys are doing. How many hours you work?
Like that, 6-7 hours.
6-7 hours like that. It's a hard job, but then can say that hey, I have built the road. When the tourists are coming, whoever comes, they can say I have built it. Ah.
AB family ma.
Ah. Oi.
AB family.
Hello. Good play, Mo. Good play.
Show mao.
Biang na.
Biang, to show biang.
More.
More.
To.
Make it flat, no?
Flat na.
Use this one now.
Aha.
Try this one, no?
Like from here. Biang.
Biang.
Just making sure that I do right. Okay, I got it. New helper.
Yeah.
Oi, good play.
Good.
Good play, guys. Come now. Biang. At least now I can say I have made a one rock to the flat, so everybody, when this is gonna be ready, there is also my hand mark. Tule. Okay guys, Mo. Bye. Tänne. Näet. Slippery, especially when your hands are full, but here we are exploring in Seven Sister Falls. Let's go, Sisu, for the next place. We're still gonna go check it out for the another waterfall, and then of course obviously we go roam around in the town. More. That's what we do. Let's move, Sisu. Let's go.